To check your transaction history on Azimo, follow these straightforward steps. This guide will help you easily access and review your past transactions. Step 1. Open the Azimo app or website. Launch the Azimo application on your mobile device or visit the Azimo website using your preferred web browser. Step 2. Log into your account. Enter your registered email address and password to log into your Azimo account. If you have forgotten your password, use the password recovery option. Step 3. Navigate to the transaction history section. Once logged in, look for the transaction history or activity tab in the main menu. Click on it to access your transaction records. Step 4. Review your transactions. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Filter or search transactions. If you need to find a specific transaction, use the filter or search options available. You can filter by date range or search for a specific recipient to narrow down your results. By following these steps, you can easily check your transaction history on Azimo. Regularly reviewing your transactions can help you stay organized and informed about your financial activities.